Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you guys are current subscribers, thank you for being loyal to my channel. For the newcomers, please like and subscribe to my channel. So we were talking about earlier the electromatic drill press um, that we bought in the sale. So I tried to fix it, and there was no dice. So I decided to take it apart. You guys see the front over here. It's still got the quill in it, the quill handle, and the quill stopper on here. We did take out the on and off switch. We tried to put in a toggle switch, but it just didn't work. So I took apart the what's good about this is I took apart the RAM, and the table is intact, and the bottom and the column still looks really good. If you see, we took the head off, and the head is right here. As you can see, the motor actually was not very good. So we tried to check the brushes and the armature and so on. This is actually the quill over here, the spindle right here. As you can see, we still have the chuck in here as well, right here. And you guys also see the screws that we tried to take apart. You guys see the head over here. We took out the pin and we unscrewed it. And right here, you guys are going to see that it has the speed control. You see the pin inside right here. And you see the little up and down in there. It's actually cast into the part over here. Over here you see the down spring for the handle and the quill. It's really good actually for the age. You could see it right here. You also see the column lock in here for the spindle, as you can see. All of the numbers are actually right here on the drill press. It's a D105, as you can see right there. You do have the nut over here. Actually, and you have the screw, which is an Allen screw. And I did realize that the table is intact, which is really good. So, all in all, we did good on that purchase, except this little thing right here. But then again, the price that I paid for it was well worth it, even if we parted it out. But the problem is with parting this out is some people want the whole drill press or some of it. And as you know, when we went through it, it's really rusted and so on or so forth. So even if you wanted the parts, it needs a good cleaning. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.